High in the Siberian Arctic, in an area known to be sensitive for a changing climate, lies Lake Elgagitkin. Formed 3.5 million years ago by an asteroid impact, this crater is one of the best preserved impact sites on planet Earth. The sediment within the crater's lake holds the longest record of climate change in the continental Arctic. The goal of an international expedition to Lake Elgagitkin during the International Polar Year was to drill and extract sediment and impact rocks for further study in laboratories around the world. As the science team examines core samples for paleoclimatic clues, learn how through the Polar Trek program, a North Carolina science teacher accompanied the expedition to bring the science of Arctic climate change and planetary impacts, not just to his students, but to the greater community beyond his classroom.